Here's my Publix haul, or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yeah, this is $120.71 for the goods, and it was all said and done. They paid me $3.71 overage. And yes, that total does include tax. And actually, I have no coupon fare or anything. I'm gathering all these inserts myself. So, anyways, I'm going to be uploading a video like this every week on the first day of the sale, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do them the rest of the week. This is for the week of March 18th through March 24th, and let me show you what I got this week. So here we go. Let's start with these. These are the Green Giant, the frozen section, Simply Steam. These are $1.99 BOGO, so you get two for $1.99, and there's a printable for $1 off of each one. All the links to print the coupons are below the video, so you can just, you know, look in the details, hit the link, and you'll be printing these coupons off right away. Got another one here. Now this is a good one. Now I gotta thank Scott for this one, but these were let's see, these are regular price $5.99 to $5.19 to maybe $4.69, $4.99. Dave's Matthews Band bread, and that's Dave's Killer Bread. But anyways, there is a coupon for a free one of these. And what was cool about this, if I knew this before, I would have altered my purchase. But when they scanned the coupon, it just took $7 off. Usually, they have to write in the amount. So right there's a boom 7 off. I got a couple of those links to print that. Might be gone, but that's the reason you got to subscribe to my channel so you can get these. Get the information right away. Another one we got, International Delight. These are BOGO $2.89, $1 off, printable. All the links to print the coupons, as I said, are below. Got the Iams Proactive Health cat food 7-pound bag. These were a buy one get one free coupon, and then $3 off of each bag. So, you know, this was probably the least, not the greatest deal in this whole section, but I needed it because, yes, I got lucky again. I had a competitor coupon. If you spend $100, get $15 off your purchase. So these bags came to like $28.84 with tax. Pushed me up to that $100, slammed that $15 off, and it really helped. Stonefire NAM, another printable. I'm not sure if that one's still active again, but as I said, subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away. Got this guy right here. This is a Nature's Bounty. Always check to get, always check the clearance rack on these, because as I got the Zinc as well. The Zinc's $5.99. These are $10.99. Usually when they go on clearance, they cut them to half price. $5.49, as you can see on that, and we got 3 off and 2 off. Links to print that below. 3 off came from the extra savings flyer that's available this week. What else we got? Dove Plus Men Care body wash. These are regular price $5.59. They're on sale for $3.99, and there's a $3 off. And it does say nature inspired, and as you can see, it says inspired by nature. So we can get that going. That was from the March 17th save, and $3 off, 3 and off, limited 2. And once again, the extra savings has $2 off the body wash. So makes those free. Just pay the tax. Here it's 66 cents for 2, 33 cents each for the tax. These guys, BOGO this week, $2.79. There's a BOTA for $1.50 off of each one, making those a 21 cents moneymaker. And of course, this is a Publix digital coupon, $4.29. This is in the frozen section. $4.29 comes right off when you enter in your phone number for the digital coupon. Once again, all the links to print the coupon. So, you know, you can probably do some of these deals, hopefully all of them. That $15 off 100. Was lucky. Competitor coupon accepted again. But anyways, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there so you can get these deals right away. Check out some more cool stuff right here. Once again, paid to shop. Been doing this every week, and this week was no different. When I left the store, they paid me.